is L.A. and welcome to Llouell Machines and Novelties. And for today's episode, we have remote control mechanical sharks. Let's go! Let's check what's inside. Here you go. Oh, what's this? Screwdriver and some parts. Let's check. We got USB charger, screwdriver, 2 extra propellers, the remote. It's color blue and gray. Those are my favorite colors. The manual and the shark. We need to assemble the shark. Let's go. Get the tail and the body and connect like this. Let's check the battery. Okay, we need to open the battery case. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Remove the battery cover. And there's the battery. Can you see it? Here it is. Let's charge the battery. Red light meaning it is charging. Next, the battery of the remote. Unscrew to open the cover. I like to check my batteries and all are good and install the battery. Return the cover. And don't forget to screw. Okay, our battery is full. Install the battery like this. And look, there's a rubber seal to help the water out. Let's install the cover with seal. Then the 4 screws. And the final cover. Okay, let's quick test. Turn on the remote and the shark. The motors are not running because the RC shark needs to be in the water to make it move. So let's go and play! Let's go and test it. Are you ready? Is it gonna work? It's a shark, Lisa. Hi, shark! Hi, shark! This is the speed button. This is fun. Did you know the sharks have 3 main fins? Dorsal on its back and pectoral, 2 on its sides. Very interesting, right? for more interesting videos like this and this and this and this. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.